Welcome back, and today we are talking about Nathan Jurevicius. And if you're just joining us for the very first time, this is the 8th and final part of our Ikea 2018 art event. And what that is every year Ikea puts on an art event with a group of artists, and they're usually paintings, drawings, and photographs that are done on paper, very cheaply made. And then you'll find them in the clearance bin a few weeks later. Now this year they've done something different, is they've gone three-dimensional and they're using glass and crystal, and here's the group. And the last one we will be talking about today is Nathan Jurevicius. Now I'm pretty sure I said that wrong. Even though he is an Australian artist born in 1973, he has been working pretty hard here, and this is a picture of him right here. Now he does both two-dimensional graphic work where he does a comic book and he has particular characters that he does on a rotating basis, and then he does do vinyl animation toys, which are also fantastic. So we're going to specifically talk about his vinyl toys so that you can see, does this match his body of work, or is this something that is completely out there and doesn't match his body of work? So what he's known for is this, Scary Girl. So Scary Girl is this girl that he uses on occasion, and we're going to take a quick look at his Instagram and his website, which is scarygirl.com. So his Instagram, if you look through his Instagram, it's kind of odd and bizarre, and it's fun. I started following him because of this, and I thank Ikea for finding him so that I could find him as well. He's an Australian artist, and I don't get a lot of foreign artists through my search. I find a lot of American artists, and so I'm really glad that as I search through this that I get to find him. So, and then his website is scarygirl.com. It's where you can go and buy his toys and his magazines and his games and his other merchandise. And then we're going to talk now about Scary Girl. So this is Scary Girl, and she is one of his original characters. This is what he's kind of known for. This is the thing that has made him kind of famous, and when you Google him, Scary Girl is the first thing that'll pop up. And he does her in both vinyl toy as well as in a comic book strip. Now, he's done collaborations with groups like MTV and other things in Australia, and this is something he did for MTV, is this kind of like monster-y thing, and it's a lot of fun. Now, the reason I put this in here specifically is look at the eyes and how they're this spherical shape. So when we look at other of his toys, like this girl here, you'll see that they're these kind of like circle and a circle and a circle and a circle type eyes, and they match kind of this kookiness of all of his characters. Now here is a wider shot of some of the other toys that he's made, and you'll see that it's just a wide variety of kookiness and exoticness and fun, and kind of that everyone belongs in a space situation. And I really like looking through his work that everyone has a home, even scary girls. So then we're going to look at these. So these are some of his most popular, from what I understand reading online, these owls. Now these owls, if you look at them, are a singular color already, but then you can see that everything is carved out. The eyes are carved out, the feathers are carved out, the wings are carved out, everything is made so that it's one singular color, it's made in vinyl, and so that you get the idea of an owl without there having to be a lot of paint or variation in color. And now let's look at what he did for Ikea. It's another owl. So he's playing to his strengths here, and it's fantastic to see an artist. So clearly this goes in with his idea of work. Those very spherical eyes where it's not a lot of detail, but even that simple circle with a few lines around it, you get the fact that it's an owl, kind of like that monster that he did earlier. Now it's so fascinating to see artists do things that are part of their repertoire and then be able to do it so well and so fun, and it's great to see. And this is one of those pieces for myself that I cannot wait to own and cannot wait to buy. So stay tuned after this. There will be an update about what's happening with timing, pricing, delivery dates, and it's great. Now, also below, there will be the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit to subscribe. And then there will also be a link to his website for Scary Girl and his Instagram. Thanks for joining me.